did I end up here then? Here I am, optimistic Leanne, spending a Friday evening packing a bag for a hike the next morning. After the dog groomer got COVID and cancelled the Saturday appointment, I got some last-minute dog care and planned an 8-mile hike over Derwent Edge. I checked the weather forecast. It showed cloud, rain, and about 5 degrees Celsius. I have waterproof coat, so I don't mind that at all. There's one thing that I forgot to check though, the wind speed, and it just so happened that Storm Malik was due. This is a mistake that I won't make again, and I urge anyone going on a hike, even at 500 metres like this one, to check the wind speeds too. Now then, let's get on with the video. I must admit, I was feeling a little lazy when I used the app, but it's raining and I don't have a waterproof map cover. I guess this is it, the start of the ascent. Definitely not as fit as I'd like to be. That's a pretty great view though. At this point, I'd walked up past the cairn at Lost Lad and reached the trig point of Backtor at 538 metres. The wind had picked up and I was struggling to stay on the path, so I did the sensible thing and saved a photo op with the trig point for another day. I don't have much footage from the tops as I was focusing on staying safe and sheltering from the wind behind large rocks for a rest. I did bump into these two men who kept checking that I was okay, and I had signalled to let two people that I know at home that I was okay and what was happening. This clip shows them struggling in the wind that had just blown them both to the ground. I suspect this might be a mistake. Just doing another hide from the wind. It's hands down the scariest hike I've ever done. believe me when I say there is not an ounce of exaggeration when I say that I was on my hands and knees clinging on to like rocks and bracken because I'd been blown over. The contents of the mesh pockets on my bag had been blown out, which just so happened to be my GoPro and my purse with my ID and cards in. So another lesson learned. I did manage to reclaim both of them after crawling again on my hands and knees through, is it bracken? Just like all the mark, like molded. And hiding behind some rocks again for another breather. Sun's out, but the wind is relentless. Da-da-da. Well then, wasn't that fun? Back at the car, I think it was about 4.5 hours it was coming up on by the time I got back. So it took a lot longer than I expected, which I guess makes sense given the wind. I thought it was going to be about 3.5 hours. Honestly, I just feel so battered, battered by the wind. I was going to get some snack and a hot drink when I got back, and the wind has blown down a tree which has impacted the power lines, so there's power cuts, so they've shut the toilets and the little like cafe out of a window and what have you. I've just got my water and my snacks that I got with me, so I'm gonna drive home and get a shower because I don't know if you can see, but like my hair did not look like this and I did not have grit on my face. The wind whipped up all the grit. So yeah, time for a shower and a hot cup of tea and some food. So bye.